Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can take a screenshot in a private Telegram channel. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments. So friends, let us get down to our topic. First of all, open up Telegram on your phone. And there's some kind of private channel. A private channel of some kind. I do not have such channels, I left them. But I know for sure that when I was standing in such channels, unfortunately it is impossible to take a screenshot. Because when you take a screenshot, if you take a screenshot of a private channel like this, then you look at the screenshot, you see this message, let's say, like in a normal channel, it won't be there. It's just the back of the channel that's empty. So there won't be any messages, which means that all the messages in this private channel are hidden. Specifically to secure this private channel, same thing if you, for example, want to cheat the system a little bit and make a screen recording, turn on the video after you finish the screen recording. The same way you look at the recording and you won't have any messages if you flip through, let's say, this screen recording, because it's the same screenshot and the owners of that private channel, they want to keep all the data that's in there safe. So, unfortunately, the only way to somehow take a picture of what is in the private channel is to take another device and take a picture of the screen in the private channel. Photos of those messages that you need or would like to forward to someone else. Unfortunately, friends, this is the only way because it doesn't count as a screenshot. This is the only way you can somehow take a screenshot of the private channel in Telegram. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.